Okay, fine. So as we are going to automate this Amazon.com, so let's say like so this is the scenario which we are going to automate. So the here thing is like so the Amazon is going to introduce the option called as an pay later. Okay, so we are going to validate whether the pay later option is available in the payment page. So that is the scenario we need to check. So how you will write the scenarios? So like in order to check this pay later option, for sure, like we need to search a product and post that we need to select the product and post that we need to add to the cart, and then we should proceed to the payment page. And post proceeding to the payment page, like we need to validate whether the pay later option is available or not. So you can in order to test the scenario, so try to write it in a BDD way and just ping me in the chat. And next scenario, so like you are trying to log in the Amazon. So how you will log in the Amazon? So like derive one more scenarios. So and in order to test this login scenario, so just compare the Amazon.in or .com, because like whenever we open the Amazon.in or .com, let me just open in the incognito mode. Okay, so here, so whenever we open this Amazon.com, so by default, like it won't get logged in. So like if I need to click on if I need to log in the application, how I need to log in the application? I need to hover my mouse over here and post that the sign in button will be available, and then I need to click on the sign in button, and then I need to click the like you I need to enter the username and then password. I need to click on the continue button, and then I need to click on the password, and then I need to click on the login. So this is the flow we are having. So just you have the application in your hand, so write the scenarios to check the login functionality of an Amazon, and also like to check the pay later option in the payment page. So like just write it in a BDD way and just ping me and post that, like we can continue it up.
Aravind, so this feature file is all about only to understand what is the automation, right? Nothing to do with actual automation script, right?
This is the actual flow which we follow in the real time, because this is where we are going to do the mapping, and the reusability level will be increased based upon the test design. So like whenever we are going to automate a number of scenarios, so we may have the common steps. So rather than duplicating the code, so if you reuse the common step, so the automation will become more feasible.
Got
So after mapping, like you will get to know the clear picture.
got it. Thank you.
Yes, so the feature name you should not give like user log in the Amazon web page. So what are the functionality you are going to check? So you need to validate in the high level. So these two test cases are related to the login scenario. So you can say the login validations. So we can highlight it up. And also write what will be the prerequisite, in the sense like we may use we navigate to the Amazon application and post that like we are also just clicking on the login button. Okay, so where the login button is available, in the sense it is available in the home page. So you can say, so user navigate to home page of Amazon application and click the login. Okay, so and post that like we may enter the username and password, and then you can click on the log on button, or else like rather than having the multiple step, you can have it in a single step stating that the user enters the username password and clicks on login button. So even we can club the statement, and finally we can do the validation. So like whenever we are doing the validation, so it is always you good to use the verify keyword. So verify whether the user land on the welcome page or etc. So you can just add it up, or you can add that to verify the title of the page. So even like whenever the user is login successfully, for sure the title of the page will be get changed, so you can validate the title. Because like if it is often sign in, the title will be like Amazon sign in. If you have login, so it will be like I guess Amazon.in, I guess it will be appearing. Yeah, this is good. So even we can write in a more elaborative way. So whenever we have the multiple steps, as I told, we should use only the and keyword. So the given, when, then should be used only once in our test design. Yeah, this looks good.
I have mine in chat.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
the chat box. Thanks.
Okay. So it is good to have only one then statement. So because like in the real time, when it comes to a real time picture, like the particular scenario will end like when the validation is complete. So if we have many validation, so we will split up the scenarios. So even we will be consider this as a separate scenarios, and this entire flows are separate scenarios. So probably better to have single then statement, and the then statement should be always at the last. Okay, post then we should not do any other user actions. Okay, fine. At least happy everyone got an overview. So as we are going to deal with the same thing in the further classes, so later point you will be get familiarized on the test design as well. Okay, so now let me just quickly explain the mapping.
Marvin, can you check mine?
This is right.
No, I have it unchecked. I sent it to chat. Can you
Okay.
see? HN.
Yeah, okay. There are a few other. Yeah, I have seen. Sorry, I have missed a few others. One. Hell, I had 10. Okay, this I will copy paste. This is fine. Payload flow, user navigating, search for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, search button, click on the product, add to cart, proceed to checkout, place an order, then validate the confirmation. Okay, this looks good. Okay, so as I told, this then should be used only once. So pretty much like we are using focusing the then statement only for the validation.
So what we had to do, we had to make gray and
I will correct it up. So even I am going to do the test design for the same, right? So you can just cross compare it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, fine. Good. Everyone have tried the test design.